I tu. Malo grupo. Opa! Cike. Aj, nisam optimalno pogodio linicu. Kravice, na stazi ste. Ajde bom ja tu prošao. So we are done with 2 days riding in the Bike Park Rogla. It was Lucia's first bike park. So Lucia, how did you like it?
I love it. It is really beginner-friendly bike park, and it has a nice trails, blue ones, one green one, and black ones. I even rode 2 black ones, so I really love it.
Yeah. So as she mentioned, there are I think 8 trails, rated from green, which is like beginner family line, to some blues for beginners and blacks for some intermediate riders. I have to mention the blacks are not entirely blacks, there are elements of blacks, but mostly it's like red trails with more or less parts of a black. There are also interesting parts on those blacks which are entirely black, but not as probably not as hard as the blacks in Kočevje bike park in Slovenia. Track 9 with Lucija. She's doing already really good on those smaller drops and on roots. I'm really proud. Great. She takes those smaller drops, which is great. Great riding, no panicking. That's a tough corner. This one also, no problem. It's not the easiest job. No problem. Track standing, good training for me. I said that she needs to relax on the flat section and properly position her feet on the pedals. Gripes with flat pedals, it's easier to dismount the bike, but you can lose the pedal a bit on some rougher stuff and need to reposition it afterwards, but she did great. Great job, bravo! And yeah, the courses are I think well built. They have decent elements, interesting elements. They are good to learn the basic stuff you need to on mountain bike. And yeah, I think it's, if you want to learn how to properly ride your bike, visit Bike Park Rogla.
I have to add one thing, it is really clean and the trails are really well maintained. The blue trail number 3 is really nice because it has one big drop. For me, big drop. It's a half a meter drop, but I really love it and I managed to ride it smoothly.
Following Lucija on course 3. She started to do some jumps. That's great. the most important thing is that she has fun. She also has a decent pace now.
So it's my first time in Bike Park, and this is Bike Park Rogla. And as a beginner, I can say that it's a lot of fun. Drop.
Great. Great drive from Lucija.
Okay. That was smooth. And one more. Nice. Left. One more bridge. Roll.
Thank you, Paula. She also became very relaxed when she a bit lost her rear wheel, which is great. She's not panicking like before. That's great. That's a great milestone for a beginner, and you start to be relaxed with losing your rear wheel.
Trail number 8 is really great because it has a lot of bends. It is really flowy, and you can practice your technique. You can practice how to move with your bike on flows.
Yeah, on the flowy trail.
Tight one. My favorites. Whee! Love it. One more. Ooh, nice one. And the bridge. Hoppa! And we go down. That's fast.
What else would you like to say about Bike Park Rogla? What else did you like? What didn't you like?
Since I ride a bike for 5 months now.
Let's say it, 5 months.
5 months. It is really nice to try all these bends, drops, rolls, so I really like it.
So I will do one more time on the blue trail on the number 2, which is a bit more technical blue trail with a fork to the trail number 4, which is black. Also has these drops at the beginning. Oh, I missed now the... No, I didn't miss. It's okay. Woohoo! Kako lete teblovi. I managed to jump the tables, totally clear them and even overshoot them. So I had a lot of speed. So this is the fork, the black, I think it's called number 4. So it's a dangerous part. It wouldn't be nice to land in this creek. And the good part is, even with like this light or short trail bike like my Element, it's perfectly rideable. Bike park and even the black trails are perfectly rideable. You don't need an enduro or trail or downhill bike to enjoy the bike park. So 130, 120 bike is totally sufficient. Even Lucija is riding on the old Element, which is 120, 100. And she said no problems at all. And yeah, I wanted to mention the blacks are very rider friendly, and as we ride, let's say, a bit advanced cross-country bikes, the Rocky Mountain Elements, Lucija has the older one, I have the new one. So it's perfectly rideable with a short travel trail bike or cross-country bike, whatever you want to call it, down-country bike. So even the black ones you will see on my footage, it's perfectly rideable with a 120, 130 bike. Pošto ribica. Šta sam rekao? Doktor, jesi ga sjebave liniju. Zdravo.
Zdravo.
Opa, malo smo prvi izgubili na trenutak. Nice jumpić. A dobro, tu idu. Ej, Icek, mlade, bravo, easy. Kak si dobar. You don't have to be very cautious, there's no extreme elements and yeah, especially the trails are not very steep, which is great for beginners, so you don't get sore hands after a few minutes because you need a lot of braking. Here you don't need a lot of braking, you can enjoy the flow of the trail. So really kudos who made those trails to the trail builders. I think they made a great job.
Close to the finish, we will try without brakes. Okay, this one, yes. Ooh, that's fast.
There's decent amount of this low speed tech stuff, which is great for beginners, I think, to learn black trails before advancing to something more steep or serious. Yeah, and also my biggest plus point on the Bike Park Rogla, that none of the tracks, even the double black rated ones, are not very steep, so you don't have to concentrate like crazy on braking or waste your fatigue in the arms on braking. can focus on pumping, cornering, etc. Chairlift is very fast. You're again on the trailhead in like 5 minutes, 10 minutes maybe the most. The prices are nice. I think the daily ticket is like 30 euro or something. You have some packages with included hotel accommodation, breakfast, dinner, and wellness. So just check the website, and yeah, hopefully you will like it like we did.
We'll be back again.
Yeah, see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye.